When the favor of God is upon your life, so many doors open. You achieve so many things. You meet the right people at the right place at the right time. When the favor of God is upon your life, you receive many blessings. You don't even know where it came from. When the favor of God is upon your life, everything favor you. Even that, what can I say? Raise from your job you are not qualified. You get it because the favor of God is upon your life. When the favor of God is upon your life, everything comes peace with you. Enjoy them, my friends.